Hey guys, I'm here with Easy Hack today, and we're going to show you some Easy Hack commands. Now, go to your VirtualBox, open Kali Linux, and start up your system. Now, remember, I'll walk you through everything. If you downloaded these files in the previous video, we all got the same settings, yo. Oh, look at that, it's working. What a little screen. I don't know if I could work with that. Oh my god. It's so little. What can I do with that? We need to make it bigger, right? Bigger's always better. And then when you're too big, it's really bad. That's better. Anyways, I guess we gotta live with that. Remember, the password is Kali. My username is Kali. Hey, hi, I'm illiterate. And then, remember, enter. So, we're gonna go through not essential commands. We're gonna go through the best Kali Linux commands out there. I'm only going to show you 3 commands that you're going to use on the common all the time. So press Control-Alt-T and open up a terminal, guys. See how fast we can do this. Oh, I pressed it. Shouldn't take that long, right? Wrong. Boom, 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 boom. It can take as long as it wants. My keyboard plugged in, maybe? Oh, yeah, it's plugged in. Hello? Let me check your keyboard. Soft keyboard, insert Control, Alt, Delete. No, we don't need to do that. We want Control, Alt, T. Oh, that should open up. Oh, there we go. So Control-Alt-T opens up a terminal. I might get 10 terminals right now, actually. The host key is currently default right control. So yeah, use right and then control down, and that's your host key. And the host key at any time to uncapture the keyboard. So we're gonna control down, and I think we got the keyboard now, right? Yes, we got the keyboard going here, guys. Okay, that's annoying me right now. I just gotta get that out of the way. I'm sorry. I know you guys want to get to the commands. Just type the commands and none of those rat talking stuff and fixing your view. Well, you guys can't see the commands right now, so I have to fix the view. So, wow, wireless mice suck. Or is it just my system? So we're just going to get out of full screen mode for a second so I can drag this over. This is on a big TV right now, so when it's full screen, I don't see the end of it, but who really needs the end? Okay, so we're going to go through the best commands in the world. The best commands would be top to see what's going on. Top. That shows you that's your system monitor, all your tasks that you're going on. And if you want, you can grab a PID from here, and then press Control-C and go kill space PID number, enter, and it'll kill that task. Boom, it's dead. No problem. Or you could open another terminal window and keep this one open and kill the command right there beside it with the kill command. Kill is our second best command. See my little method I got here? So now I'm going to go Control-C, and we're going to learn more about top. So we're going to use the famous manual, man space TOP, guys. You don't need to copy and paste, do you? So this is the overview and all that stuff, right? I like the examples. You always go down here and you see here all this Alt H stuff, and then it's just normal stuff that we already know, or we should already know. So I always go down to examples and command line. Like after you type the command line, this is the stuff you can do. Like this would be, the stuff you can do and what it does, like batch mode, command line program name, display time, enforce task memory scaling, yada 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 yada. So this is how you use the top command. If you need to do more than just find out a PID service, you read up on what you need to do and you use top in conjunction with maybe another program, who knows. So let's get out of here and type in Q to quit, enter. Okay, so now we are going to try the best command out there that's next, which is the apt install, stall, let me see here, install, what should I install, guys? Actually, that won't work because I have to sudo that. So let's put sudo, sudo. I don't know what to install, so wouldn't it be nice if there was a nice and fast way to search the cache? Like, I wonder if you can do that. Well, that's a good question. Let's go man space. What was that command? Oh, apt, right? There it is. Now, apt is a crazy command. It is actually my favorite command because I use this every time that I install a program from a repo. I go apt get. So, to search, right here, to search the apt get repository that you have on your machines, you want to type in apt-cache, C-A-C-H-E. So let's go do that and see what that does. And then you want to search something. I don't know what we're going to search, but apt/cache. Cache, yeah, here, at cache. I am so basic, I'm sorry. I just read that and I can't remember it, so we're going to /h for help, right? So we don't know nothing about this machine, how to use this one yet, right? So we have to go apt/cache options, command, show package. Okay, so apt cache queries and displays available information about installed and installable packages. It works exclusively on the data acquired into the local cache via the update command. So before running an apt cache command, you should always go apt update, okay? It's just common to use it. That's why I say this is one of our most favorite commands that Linux users use the most. So most used commands would be like apt cache. It searches the package list, shows source records, show raw dependency information. It's all right here in plain black and white. So I wish I was live right now because then I would ask somebody what should we install, because right now I'm kind of like drawing a blank. I want to install, so let's do apt/cache. No, CACHE. I don't know why I keep trying to put T, but anyways, let's go apt cache. Okay, so apt cache, let's go /show. Command line option /s. Okay. I guess I was stupid there. Okay, so I guess we just go like this or we go apt cache and then let's just go nmap. That should search something, right? Apt cache, okay, to search. See, I've done this before. Search the packet lit. Anyways, that's it for today. If you want to learn more about apt cache, type in man space apt cache. Remember, hacking is about living, learning, and teaching yourself on how to learn new things. And the man thing will help you do that. Like right now, all I would have to do is waste more time
showing you how I would learn all the typage of these commands. But after you learn those commands through the manual, you have them in your head, so you don't have to cut, copy, and paste, which is a script kiddie personality, I guess. Which there's nothing wrong with being a script kiddie. I like to learn stuff, and that's how I learned to program. Like, my very first time ever programming was on a Unix machine, and that's with the trackball way back in the days where I changed all the passwords for the admin. It was so funny, it was so easy, and I then enabled the password that you would have to have two changed passwords, which they didn't have before, because before you didn't need a password to change the admin password on those old Unix machines. Anyways, good old days in grade 7. And then Windows 95 came on the scene. That was huge. We got a Pentium 90. The whole school got one to share. Anyways, that's it for Easy Hack. And stay tuned for my next video. And maybe I'll write a script